Today I would like to show you a little WhatsApp trick that you can use to share text and images between your smartphone and PC. First you need to open WhatsApp on your smartphone, then go to Settings and select WhatsApp Web. If you are using an Android smartphone, you will go straight into the camera, ready to scan a QR code. If you are using an iPhone, you will need to select the Scan QR Code option. Now you need to open your browser and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. The browser will display a QR code that you need to scan with your smartphone. This will log you into WhatsApp Web. Once logged in, you will need to create a new group chat with any of your WhatsApp contacts. Don't worry, we will remove them later. Let's call the new group Clipboard. Now the new group is created. We want to remove any participants, other than you, from the group. This ensures that anything sent to the group can only be seen by you. That's it. We're all done. You can now send messages to the Clipboard group and access them from either your smartphone or your PC. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe.